Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll do a comprehensive tutorial of Koala Writer. Now, do you want to grow your website's organic traffic and take your SEO to the next level? If so, you may want to consider our done for you services. Just visit my website harshvardhansingh.com and hit that big blue apply button. I'll include the link in the description down below. Just submit your application and we'll reach out as soon as we have an opening available. That being said, let's get back to the video. So this is Koala Writer, as you can see. It makes a lot of claims. It says you can create high quality SEO optimized articles in minutes. They have a lot of testimonials on the homepage. As far as pricing goes, it's quite cheap. It starts at like $7 a month. I use the $99 per month plan. It gets me like 250,000 words. The reason I went for this one is because I want internal linking. That's why I picked this one. Now instead of going over the features over here, let me log in and show you my account. Alright, so here I am in my dashboard. It says Koala Writer. If you want, you can read this. But let me show you my workflow and how I use it. If you select any settings, you can save them as a preset over here. I don't do that. You can also create products. Just type a name over here and it will save your product. It shows several models. I either use the Claude 3.7 Sonnet or the GPT 4.1. If you are from the future, which you most likely are, you may want to use the latest models. It can be Claude or it can be GPT. It says the best model is GPT 4.1 at the time of this recording. But for my articles, I use Claude 3.7 most of the time, and sometimes I use GPT 4.1. But for the most part, I use Claude. It has several article types from blog post to Amazon product review and other things like local places roundup. It can also rewrite blog posts. I mainly use the Amazon product roundup and blog post. As you can see, I have a lot of articles in the left hand side. Just enter your target keyword over here. That's my keyword. As for the SEO optimization setting, if you want, you can go with the AI powered or manual. If you are using something like Neuron Writer or Surfer SEO or Page Optimizer Pro or some other NLP software, then you may want to pick manual and put your keywords over here. That way, it will include all the keywords in the article. Or you can go with the default setting if you don't want to bother with it. If you hover over the eye icon, it shows the details. In the default, it says the articles will be optimized, but it won't do any SERP analysis. If you select manual, you will have to provide the keywords from your NLP suggestions. You'll need to have an NLP tool. If you don't have one, you can rather provide your own keywords like you get the idea. You will have to provide your own keywords. But the one I use is AI powered. If you use the AI powered option, it will go to Google and search for your keyword and extract all the queries, all the NLP suggestions, and use those to construct the article. That's the one I use and recommend. If you have a live website with a few articles, it's a good practice to add your website sitemap over here. Koala Writer will fetch your sitemap and automatically add the internal links. So it's another option I recommend. In the AI images, I only go with images. And the premium model, illustration, I like the 16:9 aspect ratio, this one, widescreen. In the max images, I go with like 10 images per post max. I don't bother with the article length, just go with the default setting. Again, SEO optimized works for me. If you want, you can go with something else, depending on your needs. In the language, I select English United States. Again, if you are writing an article that targets a different country, You may want to change the country from United States to your country. Point of view third person is fine for me. By the way, I really like to include the FAQs. It makes the article look legitimate. Also, if you have a lot of NLP keywords, it will maximize the keyword usage, and that's why I use this. The last option is also handy, improve readability. I use that as well. As far as the advanced options are concerned, I don't bother with this setting, and that's it. As you can see, I'm using the 250,000 words plan, which costs like 99 bucks a month. As far as quality goes, Koala Writer is one of the best AI writers that I've found. I have used a lot of tools, from auto blogging to SEO writing.ai to various other tools. Koala Writer really stands out. And if you're looking for a reliable writer in 2025 and beyond, you may want to consider Koala Writer. Just give it a shot and you'll like it. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description down below. By the way, if you use Koala Writer with domains that are not brand new, something like expired domains, the results will be even better. And that's what we'll cover in a future video. I'll show you how I get expired domains. This way you'll get the most out of Koala Writer. If you're paying like $99 a month, like I am paying, you'll get a very good ROI. You have a very good domain and you have a very good writer. If you combine both of them, it will be almost ridiculous the power that you'll be able to extract. It makes for a deadly combo. That being said, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.